Hello, good noon everyone. Welcome to weekly index analysis. Welcome to index analysis. So let's look for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty analysis. Hello, good noon everyone. For the upcoming week. We could see a hammer pattern in the Nifty for a Friday closing in a day's chart. Now let's look for a weekly chart. These analysis will be for 16th of December to 20th of December, and you can see here a hammer chart technically in Nifty, and inside bar also is visible. Inside bar top levels are at 24,857 or 858. Once the 24,858 is taken out, we can see a rally, a stop till 25,025, and 25,151 is a major hurdle. So remember one thing, one needs to remember one thing, we are not able to cross a all-time high. Please remember this. No new ATH will be visible for past 2-3 months, upcoming 3 months. So we can get a good rally only after a budget. There is no any good news in upcoming weeks. So according to me, Nifty, technically we can see even a head pattern, shoulder, and if this creates a shoulder, if it gets rejected, max to max, Nifty might retest, take out 25,151 and move till maximum 25,500 levels. That's it. There is no upper room for Nifty. But on the downside, we can see yet to retest 22,000 levels, 22,200, 300 levels is pending to retest on the downside in the Nifty as per technical for the upcoming weeks, I'm telling. So one needs to know when to short the Nifty. So according to me, I'll play with the trend. Always trend is your friend. Trade with your trend, whatever you get on a daily chart. And for the downside support, 24,350 and 600 will be the downside support for this week. According to me, 24,600, 580 to 600 will be the support. If this 600 is taken out, it can retest to 24,400. That's it. And Nifty on the 16th of December, we can look for a buying on a profit booking dip on 16th. According to me, 16th and 17th will be a bigger bullish for the Nifty. And 18th, 17th, 16th and 17th, 18, 19, 20 will be a sell on rise for the Nifty. That's it for Nifty. So I'm waiting for the levels of 25,025 and 25,151. And on the downside, support will be 24,600. Once the 600 is breached, taken out, we can look for 24,400. So please trade with the trend if you are an intraday trader, and no need to take a positional trades in Nifty. And now let's go to Bank X, that is BSC stock. BSC index. So Bank X, one can see here, it has made a resistance or 61,300, 200 levels, 61,200, 100 to 300 levels. There is a resistance on the upper side. Once this resistance is taken out, and it can move till 61,800 and 62,000, there might be a rejection for the Nifty. One needs to remember the 62,000 logical level for Bank X. So same on Friday, every index and every maximum stocks have made a hammer in a day time frame, and support will be at 60,000, 60,100 to 60,250 will be a support if there is any downside slide. So I am looking only for index. I can see 2 days bullishness, 16th and 17th. That's it. Now let's come for Bank Nifty. If you look for Bank Nifty for a longer time frame, Bank Nifty has made a channel, rising channel. Technically, one can see here, 2022 low was 44,429, and the first 6 months it has made a top of 53,180. So the top has been maintained and got rejected here for a weekly time frame. And if there is a breakout, max to max, Bank Nifty can move till 55,555 levels. It can retest, again it can get down, and I'm still waiting for the levels for once more a retesting downside levels at 49,900 and 49,500 will be the downside for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has less room for the upside, according to me. One needs to be smart if you are going to short, or if you are going to short an index, or if you are taking options of PE, where to take your positions. Just wait for a higher highs to get completed and the rejection, then you can take. And in a day time frame, we can see here Bank Nifty has made a hammer also. See, hammer is nothing but the length. Technically, nobody knows this. Hammer is what everyone thinks that it's a Dhoni shot. See, what is the length? Bank Nifty has covered at least from the bottom 1398 points, 1400 points in a day on Friday. So if it has covered, then there is a possible of profit booking which can occur in no time on 16th of December. There may be a dip of 2 to 300, 400 points. And yeah, there is a rally pending of 1400 points. If you add here 1400 points on this hammer, we can look out here for the target of, one needs to understand this, 55,000. So 55,000 is a top level for me at Bank Nifty, or 54,500 to 55,000. If there is a center rally, or else there will be a pre-center rally, there will be no room for the upside after Christmas or on the Christmas. So be alert and be cautious on your trades, positional trades. Better, as I say, don't take a positional trades in index, because once if the rise fall comes, there will be a lot of theta eating. And now let's go to Fin Nifty. Fin Nifty has a rejection in a weekly charts, and it is on the resistance mode. At the resistance, weekly it has made a hammer. Yeah, there is a possible of making a rally, but Fin Nifty and Financial Nifty might take a halt. Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty might take a halt for some days. We can see only a 2 days of bullish rally, according to me, as per this candle. And as per this hammer candle, a lot of buying has come, because FIs, Gores have cleared off and covered off their positions of shorts and they are on holidays, so their market movement will be very slow for at least 15 days, upcoming 15 days. Only specific stocks might rally on technical base and news based. Now let's come for mid cap Nifty. So according to me, mid cap Nifty looks more bullish because it has made a resistance here. It had made a resistance at 13,299, and it is not so far away as per now. Only 150 point away from all-time high in mid-cap Nifty. So mid-cap Nifty looks bullish for me on upcoming weeks because there are certain stocks for the upcoming rally and for the upcoming event of 2025 Mahakumbh Mela, which takes for 1 month. Event will be of 1 month, and Mahakumbh Mela is coming up after 12 years. So better look for mid-cap stocks for equity buying or for E-margin or MTF play with a strict stop loss. So according to me, if you go for a day charts, in a day charts, we can see mid-cap has a good room for upside yet. There will be a slow movement, and 13,000 will be a support in mid-cap, first support, and next support will be 12,900. 13,000 and 12,900 will be a good support. Any reversal from this support will make a good rally for upcoming weeks in mid-cap index. So overall, mid-cap index looks good for me. Rather than Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, mid-cap and Nifty looks good structure. And if you look for Sensex, so Sensex has a good room for upside also. Sensex, Nifty and mid-cap Nifty looks good for a structural trading, intraday trading. So one can see a trend line. Before this, there was a trend line which gave a breakout and then again joined the rally. So overall, Sensex looks good. Sensex looks bullish for upcoming week. And usually I'm telling you all, there will be a sell on rise for the upcoming week. Only 2 days we will see a bullish rally. That too, profit booking on 16th. If there is a profit booking on 16th, and Sensex good positional buy might be at 51,500 or 400 to 500, 550 levels. Will be a good dip buying for the upcoming week. Now, so overall, these are the index analysis. Now let's look for the stocks to focus. Now I am referring everyone to focus on Scient Limited. Scient Limited, you can see in a weekly charts, it has made a consolidation from past January. And if the consolidation breakout is at 2200, okay, consolidation breakout is at 2200. If once the 2200 is taken out, it can be taken out in this upcoming week only because it has made a good buying structure in past 2 weeks. This is a 150 points, 160, there is 320. Or it might get rejected at 2175 or 70 levels. So Scient Limited, focus on this stock. According to me, there will be a 30 to 40% gain in the stock within 2 months. And upper levels are at 3000. My target is at 3000. One can buy in a equity cash mode payment in a equity structure and make it for 20 buying at present levels and hold it till 3000 levels, 3000, 3200, 3300. We can see 1000 points of rally in Cyient Limited in upcoming weeks, not in just next week, in upcoming weeks. And the next stock will be Metropolis, as I have given a FNO stock. So Metropolis 2200, above these levels, 2250, a closing above 2250 will lead a rally till 2400 levels. 2330 to 2400 levels is my target for Metropolis Healthcare, because one can see here it has made a N4. Now if 16th is moving in the same direction and it has made a N4 non-resistance past 4 days, and one can see here a hammer pattern also. If we have one more consolidation day, and the hammer, sorry, flag pattern, and the flag and the pole 360. So my target comes here only. 2420 is my target at Metropolis. One can buy in equity or one can buy in futures with a strict stop loss on your own risk management in Metropolis on given stocks. And third stock is Angel One. Angel One, Angel One has made a good rally, and it has made it has made a 20% move in the past last week, and there was a hammer. The buying was here on the last week 3100. We could also not track the stop. So Angel One looks good. About 3434. Once more you can entry for the 4000 levels. Buy in equity, and or we can look for a rejection also at an all-time high 3700 target. 3500 or 3700 will be your target for Angel One. And now let's look for Tata Consumer, a fourth stock for coming week. So overall Tata Consumer looks weak. On a daily time frame, it has made a hammer, and once this hammer is taken out, once 932 is taken out, we can see a good rally of 3% rally, 3 to 4% rally, 30 to 40 points move, which will be a 969 target above 932. Above 932, stop loss will be a low of your candle. 916 will be the stop loss, and entry will be at 932. One can enter for the target of 969 and 980 levels. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. Let's meet up with next week for weekly analysis. And one more thing, I need to look for even crude oil. So last one, I'm bullish on crude oil. So Jan, December. So okay, sorry. Crude oil. So as per my view, crude oil is bullish for the target of 6275 or 6464, whatever it is. So I'm bullish on crude oil for 6 to 7% move on the upside. and it has made a weekly bullish candle. This is a January future, right? 600 points. So 6,300 will be the target for a crude oil. It might get completed within the next week only. Any dip buying will, any dips will be a good buying for a crude oil. One can play long options of 6,000 call or 5,900 call, for 6,000 call for this one, crude oil. So overall, one can play a 6,000 call for in a crude oil for a bullish structure of a target of 6,300 to 6,400. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. Let's meet up next week on a weekly analysis. Always trade with the trend. Remember, 16th and 17th will be the bullish day for index, Sensex, Nifty, and Midcap Nifty. Please ignore, if possible, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, because Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty will get rejected, and options move will be very slow. So that's it. Thank you very much once more.